Wealth creation. What if you knew the formula for wealth creation to create wealth? We are going to talk about wealth creation today in this video. Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta. I'm an entrepreneur, mentor and advisor, the founder of Tag Investments, a wealth management and taxation services firm having over 10 years of financial domain experience. We are licensed and registered with SEBI, IRDA and MCA. SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India, IRDA is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority and MCA is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Well, to understand wealth creation formula, we need to understand the concept of future value and present value. Present value is nothing but the amount of investment which you do at a given date, which is today. That is the present value. In simple terms, you can call it the principal amount. Future value is where you want to see yourself or creating wealth in the future, say 5 years, 10 years, 15 years down the line. So we're going to talk about the formula. R is the rate of return and N is the number of years you stay invested. So it's pretty simple. If you want your future value, your wealth to increase in the future, so the formula is dependent on the present value, it is dependent on the rate of return, and it is dependent on the number of years you stay invested. So it's simple. To create wealth, you need to put in more money, which means you need to invest more. Second, you need to invest in an instrument which gives you a higher rate of return. Third, you need to invest for more number of years. So present value, which is the principal amount, invested amount, R, which is the rate of return, N, which is the number of years you stay invested for, is directly proportional to the future value, which is the wealth you want to create. So the more you invest, the higher rate of return investment asset class you invest, and the more number of years you stay invested in creates wealth for you. Just to give you an example between a simple interest and a compound interest, and how does the power of compounding impact the future value of investments. So this is, you would have learned in our school days as to what is simple interest formula and what is compound interest formula. So the simple interest formula says that the future value is equal to the present value plus the present value into the rate of return into the number of years. Whereas the compound interest formula says the future value is equal to the present value multiplied by 1 plus rate of return upon 100 to the power of n, which is exponential growth. This is just a multiplication growth, this is an exponential growth. So that is the power of compounding which we are talking about. Well, now that you've learned the power of compounding and the formula for wealth creation, I'm sure you will make the most out of it and create wealth for you in the times to come. Thank you so much for the watch. In case you wish to know more about it, you may comment on the link below, or you may log on to our social media channels or website, and we promise to revert to you and solve all your queries. Thank you so much.